In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a PayPal credit card. We'll walk through the process step by step. So even if you're new to PayPal or to online credit card applications in general, you'll be able to follow along easily. Before we start, make sure you already have a PayPal account set up and that you know your login details, because you'll need them during the process. First, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal credit card page. For this tutorial, imagine you're using the link provided in the description of the video. It's important that you use the official PayPal website for security reasons, so avoid clicking on random ads or unfamiliar links that might appear in search results. Once the page loads, you should see information about the PayPal credit card, including some of its features, possible rewards, and basic terms. Take a moment here to quickly scan the page. You don't have to read every single line, but it's a good idea to understand what kind of card you're applying for, whether there are any fees, and what the interest rate might be. Being informed before you apply can help you decide if this card fits your needs. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button that says Apply Now. This is usually highlighted so it stands out on the page. Click on Apply Now to begin your application. After you click, the site will start guiding you through the application process. At this point, if you're in a supported region, such as the United States, PayPal will either log you in automatically or prompt you to log into your account. If you're already signed in on your browser, you may be taken straight to the application form linked to your existing PayPal account. If not, you'll be asked to enter your email or username and your password to continue. Once you're logged in, PayPal will use your account information to help pre-fill parts of the application. From there, you would typically confirm your personal details, review the terms and conditions, and then submit your application. The exact fields may vary slightly, but the key idea is that logging into your account connects the credit card application directly to your PayPal profile. And that's the basic flow. Go to the official PayPal credit card page, click Apply Now, and then continue through the process while